Today is that special day. It's Christmas Day and we have gifts. So Santa's bin, look. And just to let you know that your gifts are situated in a way to help you grow. Let's think about this for a moment. Your failures are gifts. So the failure is the wrapping around the gift. So when you unwrap the failure, you find the lesson inside. And it's so difficult sometimes when you're in that failure to think about how you can do that. But today when we talk about gifts, today we're talking about celebration, today when we're talking about things we want to win at, right? There's a hope and there's renewed excitement. And when you get up in the morning for your life, you think, I'm going to be excited about my life, and that's when people get up early. So I'm up early, right? I'm excited about doing this video on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, but I've been through a lot of failure. I've unwrapped a lot of failure, and there'll be more failures for me to unwrap. But I've got to remember, and you've got to remember, that within that failure, I'm wrapping that. And my wrapping's terrible, right? When I wrap gifts, but it's terrible. And that's the failure around the gift, right? But we can get beyond that and understand, what is this? What can I make of this? What's the thing that I can learn? And then I can grow. And that's what I want for you. So I just want to wish you all a happy Christmas. Thank you so much for this year supporting. Thank you so much for giving the love, because I appreciate you all. Because without you, donation wouldn't happen. So thank you for listening to the podcast, videos and support. Continue this. Let's make 2021 even better. Let's make the end of this year amazing. It doesn't have to wait for 2021, right? We can just make this day amazing and these days from now on amazing. And that's what I want for you. So happy Christmas, guys. And it's the 25th and I'm recording it today. So it's Inspiration Nation. I'll catch you guys later.